Leash training with positive reinforcement. Title: Leash training with positive reinforcement, building a strong bond. Introduction. Leash training is an essential skill for both dogs and their owners. It not only ensures their safety but also allows for enjoyable walks and outings. However, the traditional methods of leash training, which rely on punishment and corrections, can instill fear and stress in dogs. Luckily, there is an alternative: leash training with positive reinforcement. This approach emphasizes rewarding desired behavior, creating a more positive experience for both pets and their owners. In this article, we will explore the benefits of leash training with positive reinforcement, discuss effective techniques, and provide tips to make the process successful. Understanding positive reinforcement. Positive reinforcement focuses on rewarding desired actions to make them more likely to be repeated in the future. It works by associating positive experiences with specific behaviors, encouraging dogs to continue performing them. This method stands in stark contrast to punishment-based training, which can lead to fear, aggression, and a strained bond between you and your canine companion. Benefits of leash training with positive reinforcement. 1. Trust and bonding. Positive reinforcement builds trust and strengthens the bond between you and your dog. By associating the leash and harness with positive experiences, your furry friend will come to view walks in a more positive light, leading to a stronger connection. 2. Improved behavior. Traditional leash training methods can lead to unwanted behaviors such as pulling, lunging, or anxiety. Positive reinforcement training helps eliminate these issues by teaching dogs alternative behaviors through reward-based learning. This approach focuses on reinforcing walking calmly on a loose leash, thus eliminating pulling and other undesirable behaviors. 3. Stress reduction. Positive reinforcement training emphasizes rewarding desired behaviors, which significantly reduces stress for both dogs and owners. By avoiding punishment and using rewards instead, your furry friend will feel more confident during walks, resulting in a more relaxed and enjoyable experience for everyone involved. Effective techniques for leash training with positive reinforcement. 1. Start indoors. Begin the training process in a calm and familiar environment, such as your living room. Attach the leash to your dog's harness or collar and let them roam around freely. Reward and praise your dog for any positive interaction or calm behavior around the leash. 2. Treats for success. Use high-value treats as rewards for good behavior. Whenever your dog approaches or investigates the leash voluntarily, offer a treat and reinforce positive associations. Gradually increase the criteria, such as touching or nibbling the leash, before rewarding. 3. Desensitization. Many dogs may exhibit fear or discomfort when first introduced to the leash. Take it slow and allow your dog to gradually adjust to the sensation by keeping initial training sessions short and positive. Over time, increase the duration and intensity of the training sessions while observing your dog's comfort level. 4. Loose leash walking. Teach your dog to walk nicely on a loose leash by offering rewards when they are walking calmly by your side. Whenever they pull or lunge, stop or change direction to signal that pulling does not lead to getting what they want. Praise and reward them when they resume walking nicely beside you. Tips for successful leash training. 1. Consistency. Maintain a consistent training schedule and keep your training sessions short. Frequent, shorter sessions are more effective than infrequent, longer sessions. 2. Patience and persistence. Rome was not built in a day, and leash training takes time. Be patient, and understand that each dog learns at their own pace. Consistency and persistence will go a long way in achieving the desired results. 3. Use verbal cues. Pair commands such as heel or walk with the desired behavior. Gradually phase out treats and rely more on verbal cues to maintain the leash training progress. They can provide personalized guidance to address any specific concerns. Certainly. Here's the continuation. Tips for maintaining leash training progress. 1. Gradual exposure. Once your dog is comfortable indoors, gradually introduce them to the outdoors while on the leash. Start in a quiet, low distraction area and increase the level of distractions over time. This will help your dog generalize their leash training skills to different environments. 2. Socialization. Regularly expose your dog to various people, animals, and stimuli while on the leash. Positive social encounters during walks help reinforce good behavior and build confidence in your dog. 3. Be mindful of triggering factors. Pay attention to your dog's reactions and body language during walks. Identify any triggering factors that make your dog anxious, reactive, or uncomfortable. Avoid these triggers whenever possible, and work with a professional trainer to desensitize and counter-condition your dog if necessary. 4. Exercising mind and body. In addition to leash training, ensure your dog receives plenty of mental and physical exercise. A tired dog is more likely to focus and exhibit desirable behavior during walks. Advantages of positive reinforcement leash training. 1. Builds trust and confidence. Positive reinforcement training fosters a strong bond between you and your dog. By using rewards and praise, you build trust and confidence in your dog, making them more willing to engage in the training process. 2. Creates a positive association. Leash training with positive reinforcement helps your dog associate the leash with enjoyable experiences, reducing fear or restraint-related frustrations. 3. Encourages desired behaviors. By rewarding desired behaviors, such as walking calmly on a loose leash, you reinforce these behaviors, making them more likely to occur in the future. 4. Improves communication. Positive reinforcement training encourages clear and effective communication between you and your dog. As your dog learns to associate specific cues with desired behaviors, you can communicate your expectations more effectively. With the implementation of these techniques and tips, leash training with positive reinforcement can be a rewarding and successful journey. Remember to be patient, consistent, and understanding of your dog's individual learning pace. By prioritizing positive experiences and building a strong foundation of trust and communication, you can achieve harmonious walks with your canine companion. Certainly,